Hi everyone, my name is Molty. Welcome to class today at the Chinan Nature Center. Let's all get ready to be eco-heroes! Ready or not, nature, here we come!
There is a Moltrecht tree frog here at the Chinan Nature Center on the banks of Liu Lake that just loves to learn. His name is Molty.
Hi.
Although barely 5 centimeters long, Molty knows he's an eco-hero. He listens carefully to his environment and ecology teachers and takes a lot of courses before launching his own conservation campaign.
Time for class! Let me share with you why I chose to be an eco-hero. Nature's in serious danger from all kinds of pollution. Both plants and animals are in a fight for their lives. As part of nature, each of us has a responsibility to protect and cherish our natural heritage. Chinan Nature Center is a great place to learn how and then to get started on your own. Chinan is a multifunctional classroom. It has an indoor forestry exhibit, classrooms, logging equipment exhibit, nature classroom, outdoor nature experience area, and footpaths. The Nature Center also has an expert-friendly team of environmental educators and National Forest volunteers. At the Chinan Nature Center, they guide students of all ages through an interactive curriculum that covers outdoor classroom, special projects, specialist study, introduction to the Nature Center, and theme activity.
Mama, 我爱你.
Let's go over some safety rules first, before starting class. Wow! Gorgeous weather! Perfect for today's class. Let's get going then. Let's learn more about our Nature Center. For first-time visitors, I recommend signing up for our Introduction to the Nature Center class. Our teachers and volunteers will lead you through our trails and forests, teaching you about Chinan and the wonders of nature. Amidst abandoned logging equipment, you'll also learn about Chinan's history as a center of the East Coast timber industry. Can anyone tell me what all this forestry equipment is doing here? This used to be the Hualien Forest District Office's Chinan Timber Dispatch Center. Forestry was once one of the biggest contributors to the Taiwan economy. Forest depletion and rising conservation awareness eventually ended all commercial logging. Equipment like this now serves as tools to help interpret Taiwan's forestry industry and explain the value and function of forests to younger generations. Let's join an outdoor classroom class now. It's all about training your observation skills. Let's see what the insects are up to.
好，过来。好，那现在小明老师要带你们认识一个，他是伪装高手，蝴蝶的幼虫。
Master of Disguise? Where is it? Hey guys, do you see anything?
这边。
Wow, a butterfly caterpillar! You guys are good! Its masterful disguise wasn't enough to fool you. The teacher said we could touch it, but very gently. Butterfly caterpillars are so cute! Look closely and carefully. The insect world is filled with incredibly amazing variety. In nature, every living thing has a role to play in maintaining ecological equilibrium. Each new birth is a difficult, magical event. Butterflies, for example, have to be eggs, caterpillars, and chrysalis before emerging as butterflies. We frogs, too, start out first as eggs, then tadpoles, before becoming full-fledged frogs. It may look easy, but growing up is a really complex and difficult process. In addition to worrying about natural predators, we face the increasing destruction and pollution of our habitat. It's a threat to our very existence. Students will have a much better grasp of today's ecological problems after a few animal-themed outdoor classroom sessions. Let's go! Follow the teacher into the field to play raptor. The teacher says that paper airplanes represent raptors. The students out in front trying to stop raptors from flying are the regular threats they face, such as land overdevelopment and habitat destruction. Raptors have to work hard to get past the dangers to safety and a chance to have offspring. But it's really tough. So many threats. I'm rooting for you, raptor. High-flying raptors are unable to find a safe refuge. Mammals on the ground are also vexed by challenges. Okay, everyone play your parts. We're now all small animals of the forest, and these circles represent our habitat. But one day, a storm barrels through and uproots trees. Later on, developers come and bulldoze the land flat. The animals are terrified and flee for their lives. But where can they go? This is all real. It's happening even today. I faced many threats as a tadpole, like when the sun evaporated our pond, when someone buried our home in trash, when a factory's wastewater poisoned our habitat. Looking back, it's amazing that I survived it all. Students who take the frog class and play the frog games here at Chinan all appreciate how hard it is for a tadpole to become a frog. That's why I must learn more about the environment and conservation to become an effective forest eco-hero.
Molty,
Yes, teacher?
of course we can teach you more about the environment and conservation, but nature doesn't need heroes.
But I don't understand.
Everyone is responsible for taking care of the natural environment. Come tomorrow for our summer camp theme activity. We'll hike to Liu Mountain to see the wondrous power of the forest for ourselves. Then you'll understand.
Right, absolutely right. And join us tonight to explore Chernan's nighttime environment. It's a rare opportunity to have class after dark.
看到的一只有背中线的，中间还有一条线，哦，好像那个裂开的啊。
走了，小心哦，请你不要一步就跨进水里哦。
那个很多哈，比较像哦，这种也是哈，这个倒三角有没有？啊，这个大部分是叶耳啊。
我们萤火虫平常可以抓它回去养。
成虫
哎，成虫，我把你抓回去养，你要不要？不要，对啊。所以为什么你要抓它？哦，一样的道理。
Ah, sunrise, the start of a new day. Hurry up, teacher. Hurry, we're anxious to get to Liu Mountain, see the power of the forest.
Patience, Molty. We've only just left the nature center. As we walk, try and feel how environmental changes affect people. It's another thing you can think about.
从刚刚你们走过来，会发现树是不是少很多？如果你深深吸一口气，旁边又有很多的车子，那你们感觉是什么？现在就请你们把这个感觉画出来。
Whew, it's a lot hotter here than in the shade. Yeah, we've made it to the trail entrance. Let's go. Watch your step, everyone. Haha, it's much cooler on the trail. These trees give shade. So much greenery. Lots to see, too. Hey guys, what are you looking at? Wow, a Formosan macaque! We're so close! Do you think it knows we're here? Okay, let's draw the plants and animals we just saw in the tree. Everyone is really into it. If you look closely, you can discover a whole living world there. After walking for a while, teacher wants us to close our eyes and use our ears to hear the forest sounds. What are you guys hearing? Next, we draw how we feel about the forest now. Wait a minute! Everyone's drawing smiles! What's up?
Molty, that's your answer. This is the power of the forest to touch and inspire.
The power to touch and inspire?
Molty, think about the expressions on everyone's faces when we were in the classroom yesterday.
Smiling, happy.
Why were they smiling?
Because it was fun. We got to explore the forest, experience forest plants and animals. It was cool.
Right, that's the power of the forest. Forests aren't just a home for flora and fauna. They're so important to people as well. It's just that land development and modern society have separated us from our forests. Poor conservation awareness results in even more damage to the environment.
Oh, that's why.
So, Molty, nature needs everyone's help. She needs our understanding, appreciation, and protection. That's the key to sustaining our environment. Working together is very important. This is why the Forestry Bureau opened Chinan Nature Center, to have a natural setting people could go to and take classes to learn to appreciate and live in harmony with nature, and then help protect and cherish all life.
Are you ready to work with us and share what you've learned about the environment with others? Me? I can help too? Of course you can, Molty. Thank you all. I'll definitely do my best. Okay then, Teacher Molty is ready. Let's go, everyone. Time for class.